Tapos na tayo ng oras. So, tingnan na natin ang final words yung ating mga guests natin ngayon. Aside sa judiciary, Sir Alan, ano pa ba yung mga projects natin? Yung gawa ng software para ano na natin?
Well, actually, the other item we're working on now is Schedly. Schedly is also a software product that we developed to help appointment scheduling. Kasi na-experience ko yun na more than 6 months na pala, hindi pa ako nakapalinis ng ipin ko kasi nakakalimutan ko. Or yung aircon namin, tumutulo na kasi isang taon na ito lang hindi nalilinisan. And you tend to forget this, diba? So what we thought, might as well develop a system para naman doon sa mga servicing professionals that can automatically remind their clients. So at least ngayon, may magte-text sa akin, kailangan mo na magpalinis ng ipin, o kailangan mo magpalinis ng aircon, o kailangan mo mag-renew ng insurance mo. So this software could actually help, professionals and businesses send reminders through text or email.
I-remind mo sila.
And then this one pati, it's a result of yung project ng PSIA on Spring.ph. It's a startup, incubation also, where we join. Ako kasi I always want to do startup things even with the judiciary or yung outsourcing namin, it's already business on its own. Gusto ko pa rin, you try to start up more new things. That's where the fun is.
Galing na. Sir Alan, tumutulong kayo para mo sa bayan. Sabi nga, nagagamit po ng ating, somehow sa government.
We only have one life and we might, make full use of it.
Salamat, Sir Alan. Si Mr. Alan Tan po, ang President and CEO ng ideatech.com. Okay. Of course, 10:58 ang ating